Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Ryan Kerrigan here at MarineMax Danvers. Today we're taking a look at our all-new stock 2026 Sea Ray 230 SDX. This is a brand new model introduced in the Sea Ray lineup, and we're going to jump on board and take a look at some of the options. Starting at the transom, you can see we have a Mercury Outboard 250 V8 Verado. Great platform for this boat to get up on, plane and out of the hole. Stepping on board, you can see we have the dune matched upholstery and sea deck throughout the boat. Very nice color option with the white hull. Spacious sun lounge on the back. Moving forward into the cockpit. This nice L-shaped seating on the port side, alongside your reversible port side lounger here. Onto your helm. One of the really nice things they did on the new 230 is similar to the bigger models. They combined this console area here to allow for more space in the head. And I'll just poke you down into there. Standard, you have Simrad electronics, Fusion Bluetooth audio stereo, alongside your Mercury binnacle, with all of your toggle switches here. So very spacious, very roomy boat. SDX model carries the beam all the way from bow to stern. So you really get a nice wide feel, very spacious. Taking you guys back out, this boat is available and in our showroom here at MarineMax Danvers for a limited time. If you want to come take a look for a walkthrough, discuss pricing and availability on some other models, perhaps some other options, color options, please feel free to stop by. We're at 10 Hutchinson Drive, MarineMax Danvers. Thanks.